My name is Michael Momola. I'm an environmental scientist with the California Department of Fish and Wildlife, and we're here today at Kirman Lake in Mono County. This water has historically been one of the premier trophy brook trout fisheries in the entire state. And unfortunately, about a year ago, it began to go fishless. So the department has begun an effort to translocate brook trout from Silver Creek here into Kirman Lake in an effort to provide anglers with the trophy brook trout fishery they've come to expect from this water. Brook trout are already being removed from Silver Creek to aid in cutthroat recovery. We've gone in and have begun electrofishing them and loading them into a transport unit provided by one of our fish hatcheries, and have begun trucking them over here alive where we release them here into the lake. Prior to release, we take measurements on their length and weight, and we remove their adipose fin as to aid in any future fishery studies we decide to do here at the lake.
71.3.
We've also started a monitoring program here utilizing an angler survey box. From that we can begin to determine how fast the fish we've released begin to show up in the fishery. The fish here in Kirman Lake tend to grow very big very fast based off of the invertebrates such as scuds and dragonfly larvae, which are found naturally here in the lake. So we are optimistic that the brook trout we're putting in now, by next fall, will already start to show up in a fishery, and some of which may have already reached trophy size. Kirman Lake here has historically been one of the state's premier trophy brook trout fisheries, and we're working today to improve it and bring it back for anglers so they have that trophy experience once again.